Welcome, this is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie, and today I'm going to go over a app that I put together using Streamlit for a video game called Pokemon Legends Arceus. Now, if you see my previous videos, I've put together small projects based around Pokemon. I like Pokemon, it's a lot of fun. A few months ago, I bought Pokemon Legends Arceus, as shown here on Survey, and played it. I beat it. Again, it was a lot of fun. But recently, I ran into a video that was made by a creator named Johnstone. It's called "How Easily Can You Perfect Your Pokedex in Pokemon Legends Arceus?" And in it, he just goes through the entire process of not just completing a Pokedex, but actually perfecting it, which means completing every single research task, as shown here on Cerebi, uh, with the maximum amount for each task. And that is a feat, because I tried to do it after watching his video and I found out that it takes way longer than I want. However, in his video, Johnstone said that to speed things up, one thing he could have done differently was to organize different research tasks together. So completing multiple research tasks at the same time. So I decided to put together this app that tried to help me find a way as I'm playing through the game to complete multiple research tasks at the same time. So how does this app work? Again, it's a Streamlit app, and at the bottom it just displays a Pandas data frame from the information I web scraped off of Cerebi. And in it, I can put in multiple research tasks. So let's say I want to see stunned and let's say agile moves. And so I can see all the Pokemon that I need to stun using items in the game, and I can see all the Pokemon I need to use agile style moves in the game. Okay, so I can put in that. I also can put in multiple Pokemon. So let's say I want to see Rowlet and I wanted to see Oshawott. Now I can see all the tasks for both Pokemon. Okay. So how does so that doesn't really help me in combining tasks, because I know I have to do things for those individual Pokemon. So let's take an example. Let's say Onix. I like Onix. Onix is a cool Pokemon. Okay, so in this case, Onix has several tasks I need to complete, and one of the things is defeat with water type move. I need to defeat 10 Onix with water type moves. So a water type move in the game is called Water Pulse. That's one of the many ones. And here are all the Pokemon that know Water Pulse and the number of times they need to be used. And of course, Onix needed to be defeated with water type move, so I can also put in defeat with water type move. Defeat with water type move. Okay, and now I can see all the Pokemon that need to be defeated with water type moves and all the Pokemon that need to use Water Pulse. So in this case, I could take my Oshawott, use it 15 times, so I could go to Onix here, defeat 10 of the Onix, and then I could take the other 5 times and go and defeat a Ninetales 3 times, or I could do Geodude 5 times and then use another Pokemon that needs to use Water Pulse multiple times. And Geodude can be found everywhere in the video game. So that's how this app has helped me a little bit in the little bit of spare time I have to combine research tasks. Again, it's a very simple app. I am a data scientist, not a web developer, so I'm sure web developers could find a lot more functionality and do a lot more with it. But this is what I came up with. All in all, it didn't take very long. Probably took about 10 minutes to put this app together after everything was web scraped. So if you think this is pretty cool, I highly encourage anybody watching to give it a try themselves. Again, it's made with Streamlit and Python and Pandas, so it's pretty straightforward to put together. And if you've watched the video up to this point, thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of it.